Okay, so for part C, it says the total surface area of this cone here is 12 pi. Find the value of L. Okay, so we need the surface area of a cone. Now, in the formula booklet, we have here section 3.1, the area of the curved surface of a cone. It's pi or L, but just be careful. The total surface area of a cone is the curved surface area plus the area of the circle at the bottom. So the surface area is equal to my pi or L, so this is C here, my pi or L, the curved surface area, plus the area of the circle, which hopefully you know this, guys, is pi r squared. So this is curved surface area plus the circle, and this has to equal 12 pi. So I don't actually need this h at all yet, but I guess we're going to have to find that soon. Now, straight away, what I would do, guys, is you don't have to do this right away if you don't want, but you can just divide across by pi. So get rid of all the pi's. So I have RL plus r squared is equal to 12, but I know r. R is the radius, it's 2. So it's 2L plus 2 squared, which is 4, equals 12. 2L equals 12 minus 4, which is 8. L is equal to 4. Not that bad, I think. Okay, that's part C. And then it says for part D, hence find the volume of the cone. Now, volume of a cone, also in the formula booklet, volume of a right cone, it's called a right cone, a third pi r squared h. So volume is equal to a third pi r squared h. Now I have r, it's 2, but I don't have h, so I need to find this h. How am I going to find it? Well, if this is equal to 4, what kind of triangle have I got here? Well, it's a right angle triangle. So I could just do this at the side here. This triangle here, I have 2, I have h, I have 4. I can say h squared, this is Pythagoras' theorem, h squared plus 2 squared equals 4 squared, h squared plus 4 equals 16, h squared equals 16 minus 4, which is 12, h is equal to root 12. And it's obviously positive because it's a height. So I can just say volume equals a third pi r squared, which is 2 squared, times h, which is root 12. I do need to kind of simplify this up a little bit. I can say, look, he doesn't give me a particular form to put it in, but root 12 is actually, okay, that's 4. 2 squared is 4, so I'm going to have 4 over 3 pi times root 12. But root 12 is, I mean, that's fine, you'd get full marks for that. 4 over 3 pi times root 4 times root 3. Root 12 is root 4 times root 3. And root 4 is 2, so it's actually 8. So this is 4. Sorry, root 4 is 2, so it's 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 times root 3 pi. If that is the way you want to put it. But as I say, this is perfectly fine. So L is 4 and V is 8 over 3 root 3 times pi. Now, honestly, I thought that question was pretty straightforward. It's a 15-mark question. Certainly for the second, in a standard level paper, it's the second long question. Normally those ones can be quite tricky, but this was a fairly straightforward part A, a fairly straightforward integration. And then I thought particularly part C and D were not difficult at all. Anyway, I'll see you in the next question.